In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Nadaraya Watson Envelope in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any chart will work here, whether it's a stock, crypto, or forex pair. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see your candles, we're ready to start. On the top of your chart, look for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add different tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so you can type into it. This is where we're going to look for the Nadaraya Watson Envelope. Type in Nadaraya Watson Envelope slowly and carefully so it matches exactly. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results for you. After a moment, you should see the Nadaraya Watson Envelope appear in the list of results. If you see multiple similar names, just make sure you select the one that clearly says Nadaraya Watson Envelope. Once you find it, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should now see smooth bands or envelopes drawn around the price action. This is the Nadaraya Watson Envelope at work. If it doesn't appear right away, double check that the indicator is enabled in the list under your chart and that you didn't accidentally hide it. From here, you can customize the indicator if you want. Hover over its name above the chart or in the indicator list and click on the settings icon. You'll be able to adjust things like smoothing, colors, and line thickness. Take a moment to tweak it so it's easy to see against your background and fits your personal style of analysis. If you're using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, don't forget to check the description below this video. I've included my affiliate link there for TradingView Pro. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it also gives you access to more features, more indicators on your chart at once, and an overall smoother experience. That's all it takes to add the Nadaraya Watson Envelope in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, experiment with the settings, and integrate it into your trading strategy.